Abide in the temple of my heart. O God, abide in the temple of my heart. Thou art the ocean of divine love, the ocean of peace, the ocean of bliss. I have offered the flowers of virtues. I have poured an oblation, all the impurities of the mind, in the sacrificial fire of wisdom. I have blown the conch of OM and rung the bells of aspiration. I have communed with thee in the depths of my heart. Lo, thou hast become my infinite love. Thou art the absolute truth. Abide, O God, abide in the temple of my heart, forever and for eternity.